Hey, look here. If you've received a high water bill, here's a couple of steps you can check at home before calling the plumber. We've spoken to the customer. We've advised them not to be using any water in the house. That's no taps, no showers, no nothing. Don't run any toilets, and also check that that washing machine's not running. And now we're going to take a picture of the water meter. We've got to wait 30 minutes now before we do our next picture. In the meantime, I'm going to run around and check that none of the toilets in the customer's property are leaking. We're now checking the toilets. The easiest way to do that is to grab a piece of toilet paper, fold it up, hold it against the back of your toilet. If the toilet paper gets wet, it's leaking. If it stays dry like this one, it's not leaking. So it's been 30 minutes. We've now come back outside to take our second photo. I can already see that this meter has moved. We've checked all the toilets in the property. We know it's none of them that's leaking. There's nothing visible leaking. So now we need to investigate this problem further. If you do find that you have a leak or you're unsure, we're more than happy to help. You just got to give us a call at 1300 717 617.